Here I am going to show for loop in bash shell scripting. Okay, so what we have to do at first, create a file, touch file name, let's say test.sh, then nano test. Here you have to write same thing, hash this exclamation in bash. Now let's say I want to create a range 1 to 5 for I in, and here you have to write the range 1 double dot 1 2 and range 5. Okay, this is just syntax. Semicolon, here is a semicolon, do echo just print number I. Done. The syntax. This is just a syntax. You can also write something here, echo print 1 to 5. Alright, so this line, and then it will print. See here that for I in this is the range 1 to 5, so number it will print, it will start from 1 and its range is 5, so it will print till 5. That's all. Now Control O, Control X, yes, myself, we have to change the file permission to execute mode, chmod plus x test minus l. You see now this is execute mode, it will run. So now clear the screen, dot / test.sh. We see it is printing 1 to 5. You can change this clear. Now you can change this, let's say print 30 to 45, print 45 30, save, yes minus save, and then dot / you see it is printing 30 to 45. This is for loop. You have to practice. Okay, nano, this is the syntax. You have to practice. This is the syntax. Okay, this syntax you practice. Any question you can ask. Thank you.